Have you ever wondered how to express your emotions in Thai like they do in Affair the series? In this first video, we'll break down some of the most powerful sentences from the show, explaining their meaning. Means, that's enough. Stop it. The word
พอ พอ
means enough, and when combined with
ได้แล้ว
it emphasizes that the action or behavior should stop now.
ได้แล้ว
This phrase can be understood as got it or it's done. It implies that something has been achieved or completed. There are two main situations where you can use this expression. First, when you want to express that you or someone can now do something or that something is ready. For example,
กินได้แล้ว กินได้แล้ว
means you can eat now because the food is ready. Second, when you want to say that it's time for someone to finally do something or stop doing something. For example,
ไปได้แล้ว ไปได้แล้ว
means time to go. Hurry up, or let's go, stop doing what you're doing and leave.
เขาทำไม่ได้ค่ะ
Means I can't do it. Cow is a versatile and informal variation of
เขา
typically meaning he, she, or they. It can also be used by speakers to refer to themselves, making it a way to say I or me in a softer, friendlier manner, especially when talking about oneself in a less direct or more charming way. This usage is common among younger speakers and in less formal settings.
ไม่ได้ ไม่ได้
This means cannot or unable to. It is formed by combining
ไม่
not and
ได้
can
อ่ะ อ่ะ
is used at the end of sentences to make the statement sound softer, less blunt, and more casual. It can be added to almost any phrase to give it a friendly or conversational tone. For example, in questions, it can make inquiries feel less direct. And in exclamations, it adds a sense of enthusiasm or emphasis. However, overusing it might sound too informal or repetitive.
เขาทำไม่ได้ค่ะ
เขาทำเอง เขาทำเอง
Means, I'll do it myself. Cow refers to I as explained previously. This informal pronoun is often used to refer to oneself in a casual or friendly way.
ทำ ทำ
Means to do or to make.
เอง เอง
Means by oneself or on one's own. It emphasizes that the action is done independently without any help from others.
เขาทำเอง เขาทำเอง
อย่าบอกนะ อย่าบอกนะ
Means don't tell me, don't say it, or don't mention it.
อย่า อย่า
Means don't. This is used to give a negative command or to tell someone not to do something.
บอก บอก
This verb means to tell or to say.
นะ นะ
This particle is added to the end of a sentence to soften the command, making it sound less harsh or more polite, similar to adding okay in English. Let's move on to a similar expression used in another scene.
อย่าบอกนะ อย่าบอกนะ อย่าบอกนะว่า อย่าบอกนะว่า
Means don't tell me that. The word
ว่า ว่า
is often used as a conjunction and is typically translated as that in English. It usually follows verbs related to speaking, thinking, knowing, or similar actions to connect the main verb with additional information or context.
อย่าบอกนะว่า อย่าบอกนะว่า
เลิกบ่นได้แล้ว เลิกบ่นได้แล้ว
means stop complaining.
เลิก เลิก
This means to stop or to quit.
บ่น บ่น
This means to complain.
ได้แล้ว
As I explained in detail in our first sentence in this video,
ได้แล้ว
can mean got it or it's done. In this sentence, it's used to indicate that it's time for someone to finally stop doing something, in this case, complaining.
เลิกบ่นได้แล้ว เลิกบ่นได้แล้ว
ไปไหนอะไปไหนครับไปไหนอะไปไหนครับ
Means, where are you going in English? It's an informal and casual way to ask someone about their destination or whereabouts. The word
ไป
means to go,
ไหน
means where and
อ่ะ
is a colloquial particle added at the end of sentences to make them sound more casual or friendly, similar to saying, where are you going, huh?
ไปไหนอะไปไหนครับไปไหนอะไปไหนครับ
ก็เข้าใจได้นะคะ ก็เข้าใจได้นะคะ
Means, I can understand, or it's understandable.
ก็ ก็
Adds emphasis, similar to saying well or actually.
เข้าใจ เข้าใจ
Means to understand.
ได้ ได้
As an auxiliary verb after a verb or verb phrase, means can or able to.
นะคะ นะคะ
Is a polite particle used at the end of the sentence by female speakers to make the statement more gentle and agreeable.
ก็เข้าใจได้นะคะ ก็เข้าใจได้นะคะ ถ้าคุณมั่นใจ ขวัญก็มั่นใจค่ะ ถ้าคุณมั่นใจ ขวัญก็มั่นใจค่ะ
Means, if you are confident, then I am confident too.
ถ้า ถ้า
This means if and is used to introduce a conditional clause.
คุณ คุณ
A polite pronoun meaning you, typically used to address someone respectfully.
มั่นใจ มั่นใจ
This means confident. Kwan, this is the name of the speaker. In Thai, personal names or nicknames are commonly used as personal pronouns instead of I or me. This practice is particularly characteristic of female speech and reflects a softer, more friendly tone. However, this habit is much less common among men.
ก็ ก็
Here, it connects the two parts of the sentence, meaning then or also.
ค่ะ ค่ะ
This is a polite particle used by female speakers at the end of a sentence.
ถ้าคุณมั่นใจ ขวัญก็มั่นใจค่ะ ถ้าคุณมั่นใจ ขวัญก็มั่นใจค่ะ
Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos, or if there's something you'd like to see more of, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more content. Your feedback means a lot, so let me know what you think. See you in the next video.